So welcome this beautiful Sunday morning, my fellow humanoids and clever bunnies. I just want to be brief about, of course, talking about AI and how it could work for you. So I've been working on the ESP32 S3 with a touchscreen and 480 times 480 screen. I've been using the LVGL library, and I'm very tired of just entering shit and not having any possibilities to make visual IDE for programming or making the screens without paying a lot of money. So I asked Gemini to build me a screen builder for version 8 of the LVGL. And of course, within 90 seconds or less, it built me one. This is very raw, but I haven't asked that many questions. I haven't specified anything seriously, so it's interpretation of how it should look like, basically. So instead of nerding, try to just get finished with the project and earn some money instead of programming. That's all. Moin.